Hello, in this video I'll be showing you some of the reports you can run from Velocity. So these reports can show things like what's been sold, how much, the amount of cash coming in and out of the shop. So I'll just show you now. So if you open Velocity and then you want to click on this button which has the Excel icon on it, so these are all your Excel reports. So the way to run them is you just select which one you want and then choose what filters you want. So I'm going to start with sales analysis, and I'm going to say, so you can run it based on wholesale accounts, so your invoices, or all accounts, or retail transactions. In this case, I'm going to run it on the retail transactions. So I'm going to say all departments, all groups. You can filter all this as you wish. All suppliers, and I'm just going to put in a random date. The group here, so this is saying at the moment it's just going to list all the products. What I tend to use the most is PLUs by group, which means it will list all the products and it will tell you what group they're in as a header. And I'm going to click OK. It's going to ask where to save it, so I'm just going to save it on top of this. So it's now generating the report, and it will ask you to open. So I click yes. It will then open up as a spreadsheet. So as you can see, you've got the group names there, household and cleaning, refills, the product names and how much they've sold for. So it's telling you things like the weight, the amounts, things like that. And it'll give like totals just at the bottom there. For each group, that is. So this report is just showing the sales analysis, how much has been sold. So I'm just going to close that and run another one. This time I'm going to go for the cash summary. And this is just going to show the amount of cash, how much you spent in cash, card, in the shop, things like that. So again, I'm just going to put a random date in. Press OK. Save it on top. Then click yes to open. So as you can see, this is just showing the totals. So this section is the retail transactions, so normal transactions every day in the shop. This is showing the same but for your invoices, so for your wholesale customers. In my case, I haven't done any in this database, but I have done some retail transactions. So as you can see, it will show you how much was spent on credit card, how much on debit card, how much cash, and the total. Obviously in the real world these will be populated, but I'm just using a test database. And that's how you run the reports. They're all very similar to run. Some have more filters than others, but ultimately that is how you do it. Thank you.